How to change your Wix website title. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be giving you a tutorial on how to change your Wix website title. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your wix.com and you will land right here. You will have to select the website for which you want to change the name. I have selected this website and this is my main dashboard. In our dashboard, we have to click on Site Action and Rename Site. It will allow you to change your site title. So this is the title I have and I'm going to change it to this right here. Then our site address will also be changed if you want to change it. Click on Save and you can see renaming your site. And now my site name has been changed. You can see this is the site name now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.